Okay children, now I am back with part 10 of our circles chapter. Now again we will be doing some more arc and chord properties. So till now we have completed 9 theorems, that is again I tell you the numbering is not important. So now for our convenience this is the 10th theorem, that is this theorem states that in equal circles or in the same circle. Now what is the meaning of equal circle? Circles having the same radius. So in equal circles or in the same circle, if two arcs subtend, or instead of if equal arcs subtend equal angles. Where? At the center. So now this theorem is applicable to either two circles of the same radius or in the same circle. Same circle, the radius is common. Okay. So now let us consider two equal circles. Okay. Suppose this is one circle with center say O, there is an arc say A, B. Okay. So now AB subtends angle AOB at the center. Okay. Now another circle which is equal to this circle, that is whose radius is equal. So suppose this circle center is P and CD is an arc which makes an angle CPD at the center. Now these two circles are equal, that means their radii are equal, they have same radius. So that means OA is equal to PC, OB is equal to PD, they are equal. Okay, so now according to this theorem, in equal circles or if it is in the same circle, so it will be like this. In same circle, if there are two arcs, so again let us say AB is one arc and say CD is another arc. Okay, and this is the center. Now in the same circle also, if suppose, okay, okay, now this is the angle AOB subtended by the arc AB at the center, and the angle COD is the angle subtended by the arc CD at the center O. Now according to the circle, according to the theorem, in equal circles or in the same circle, equal arcs subtend equal angles at the center. So that means arc AB, okay, is equal to arc CD. So they are equal arcs. Similarly here, arc AB is equal to arc CD. Okay, that is a symbol for equal arcs. So we are showing that in two circles of equal radius, arc AB and arc CD are equal, then according to this theorem, the angle subtended by the arc at the center, by each of the arc at the center, is also equal. So that means according to this theorem, angle AOB is equal to angle CPD. This is in two equal circles, and in this case when it is the same circle, angle AOB will be equal to angle COD in the same circle. So in order to prove this, we have to simply visualize that, bring PCD and place it on this. Now PC is equal to OA, so PC will coincide with OA. PD is equal to OB, so PD will coincide with OB. Then arc AB is also equal to arc CD, so this part also will coincide. So automatically the angles will also coincide exactly. That means angle AOB will be equal to angle CPD. Same case in this case also, when it is in the same circle, we know that this arc AB is equal to arc CD. We also know that OA, then OD, OB, OC are all the radii of the same circle. So if you place it on this overlapping, so naturally all will coincide because arc AB is equal to arc CD, OA and the radii OA, OB, OC, OD all will coincide with each other because they are the radii of the same circle. So the two angles will be exactly overlapping each other, so that means the two angles will be equal. Okay, so according to this theorem, in equal circles or in the same circle, equal arcs subtend equal angle at the equal angles at the center. Equal arcs subtend equal angles at the center. So according to this, angle AOB is equal to angle CPD, and in this figure, angle A, this angle here, these are equal circles. Okay. Now in this figure, in the same circle, angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Okay. Where arc AB, in this arc AB is equal to arc CD. This is the condition. When arc AB is equal to arc CD, the angles subtended by the arcs are equal. Okay. Now the converse is also true. Okay, and converse also has to be proved only like this placing. Okay, now what is the converse? The converse of this theorem, that is your theorem 11, states that if equal angles are subtended by two arcs, either in the same circle or in two circles, if equal angles, then the arcs are equal. Okay, so now in this theorem what we said, that if the arcs are equal in equal circles or in the same circle, then the angles subtended by the equal arcs at the center are also equal. The converse says that if equal angles are subtended by two arcs, either in two equal circles or in the same circle, then the two arcs are equal. So in fact in the same manner we can prove, that is by placing one above the other. And since all the radii are same, they are either equal arc or same circle. So these two theorems, converse, can be together done in the same manner. So theorem 11, which is a converse of this theorem, says that in equal circles or in the same circle, if equal angles, here equal arcs subtend equal angles, here if equal angles are subtended by arcs, by say two arcs, then the arcs are equal. Okay, so in the same manner we can prove. So that means, that is, if the angle subtended by two arcs, that is say AB and say CD, if these two angles are equal, then arc AB is equal to arc CD. So in equal circles or in the same circle, if equal angles are subtended by two arcs, then the arcs are equal. Equal angles are subtended where? At the center. Now the earlier one is saying that in equal circles, equal arcs subtend equal angles. That means if arcs are equal, they will subtend equal angles at the center. If angles subtended by two arcs are equal, then the arcs are equal. Understood? So the two theorems are converse to each other, and this can be proved only by placing one above the other and seeing whether it is true or not. Okay. So I told you, so we have completed the converse also, because it can be proved in the same manner. So what we learnt in this part, we have learnt that if there are two equal circles or in the same circle, if two arcs are subtending equal angles, then the arcs are equal, or the converse, if equal angles are or if arcs are equal, then they will subtend equal angles at the center. I hope it is clear, both the theorems to you children. So we have finished two theorems in our part 10 which are converse to each other. Okay children.